What's up everyone, it's Seredich here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this delicious 2 minutes blueberry crumble. It's so easy to make and so delicious, and you can eat any time of your day. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's go. Sorry guys for my voice, my nose is kind of a little stuffy, my throat hurts. But anyways, so first we're gonna get a little bowl and we're gonna get blueberries. I like to using frozen blueberries, but up to you guys. I'm using only a half cup, but it's up to you. You can use more if you want to. And then we're gonna grab a half teaspoon of cornstarch here. And also we're gonna get a half teaspoon of lemon juice. And then we're gonna mix together. So now let's take these blueberries, microwave for 1 minute. Now after 1 minute, just leave on the side. So now let's do the second step. So now get another bowl and we're gonna use oats. I'm using 45 grams of oats, but it's up to you if you want to do less or more. It depends how much carbs you have in your diet. 1 scoop of protein powder. I'm using the from Pharma. And this one is white chocolate peanut butter. This is one's my favorite flavor from them. Here, a little bit of cinnamon. Not much, just a little bit. And then just a pinch of salt. And we're gonna use maple syrup. This one that I'm using, the Mr. Taste, is a 0 sugar. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. We're gonna start adding water, little by little. So just add some water and start mixing. So after it's gonna be like this, very well. So now we're gonna get, just put on top. Just like that. Now, let's put it one more time in the microwave for 1 minute. So now it's ready. Almost ready. So for topping, you can use Greek yogurt or more syrup, butter, cashew butter, any kind of butter you want. I'm using the cashew almond butter from Fit Butters. And this flavor, guys, is amazing. This one is a caramel fudge coconut cookie. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on top. And this tastes delicious. It's so good. So good. So good, and you guys know that I'm crazy for sweets, so this helped me so much. And you know, it's very easy, fast to make, and you can eat any time of your day. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also drop in the comments when you guys try this out. And also drop in the comments what you guys want to see next in my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching again, and see you guys next time.